All right, man, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about whether or not this whole last call for these Hemis was a scam or not. I'll give you my opinion. Stay tuned for the video. Hey, let's talk a little bit about this Hemi last call, man, and then bringing back another Hemi. Should we be pissed off as last call owners? Excuse me. Outside of the sticker package and stuff, I didn't get all that. I just got a regular 392 last call, wide body. A little irritating to me, man, that, they sold these as the last of it. We thought we had something special, not necessarily on the resale value, but just to say that you got the last Hemi made, kind of like when a guy owns that 68 Chevelle and there's no more of them around, and it's kind of special. But now that they're coming back out with other Hemis, comment below, man. How do you feel? Do you think it was worth the extra money that a lot of people paid for these last calls, or you okay with it? So for me, I can actually see it both ways, right? I'm a little disappointed that they're coming out with other Hemis, because I wanted to be able to have one of the last ones made or built, right? And got mine at a decent price since I bought it used, right? But then on the other hand, I can really care less, because I'm not going to get anything they got coming out new, the 6-pack, the Hemi, or any of that, because to me, that price is going to be ridiculous, man. I'm talking ridiculous on the pricing. So again, I'm curious to see what you guys think about the return of the Hemi. What do you guys think about this 6-pack? And I already know how you guys feel about the EV. There's hundreds of thousands of videos already made about what people think or felt about this EV that they put out there. But this was just a quick video, man, to touch bases with you guys, see what you was thinking about this last call stuff. Was it a scam, a big hoax on how to get us to come out and spend that money, knowing that at some point they were going to bring a Hemi back? At least that's my opinion. I really think they knew at some point, especially in the beginning when these EVs weren't selling, that they knew at some point they were going to come back with another Hemi. I think the frustrating part about it is, allegedly, according to these guys with inside sources and stuff, it's supposed to be more horsepower. So we'll see. The proof is still left yet to be seen. What they're going to do with these new Hemis. We'll see how these 6-packs are selling, because from the math I've done, and then, with this electric car stuff, people are going to be kind of almost like the last call. They're going to be willing to pay a lot just to get their hands on the 6-pack. I think if you look at one of my previous videos, those things are going to be rather expensive for a V6, and then you can't get this kind of sound out of a V6. But to each his own. Don't knock anybody for whatever they choose to do. I'm just, I like the 392 myself personally. I don't necessarily need a Hellcat. But look, just trying to get something in quick, strike up some conversation and engagement, man. Until the next video, man. Peace and blessings, man. I'm out.